I just arrived from California for my spooky trip. While I was gone, this package arrived from Kirby Family Farm for Scary Train. If you're not familiar with Kirby Family Farm or Scary Train, I put a link in the description. And here's a quick look at last year's event.
Cameras!
Cameras! Do you want a bite? It's Sharpie, it's my favorite.
Oh, Skittles! Two Skittles!
Of course you
Oh, of course I do!
Welcome to Danowski's dungeon.
Oh, Scarecrow. You know, he looks a lot like a friend I have. His name is the Harvester.
Come see me. You won't be disappointed.
So other than removing the shipping label, I have not done anything with this box. I have not opened it. I don't know what's in it. So I guess I get only one take to do this. So let's look at what is in the box. Ooh. It is a scary train cup. Look at this. Look at the lens on the monitor. It is the Scary Train refillable cup. I actually, honestly, have been wanting to get this for the past couple of years. Why I haven't, I don't know. But not only do I have it, but it's delivered to my home, which is pretty cool. So, nice graphics on it. And yes, we're not done yet. It is by, it's this same company that makes these for all the theme parks. Inside, carefully, oops, little bit of string got caught on the straw, but that's okay. It Clownwoods. Oh, that's awesome. There's a bow tie for Clownwoods. If you're not familiar, this is one of the returning house or trail. Oh, that's awesome. There's, oh wow. I think this is a GMC motorhome, which is, it is a GMC motorhome. Our family had one of these for a long time. We had a lot of family trips in that motorhome. That's crazy. Great motorhome. Though it's really just for Trailer Park, which is one of the great trails that are, I'm sure, returning this year. Improvement? I don't know. But there's more. This is a possum. Why? Because, well, right back here, Possum Holler, another great trail. There's a fire extinguisher in here. Fire! It's a squirt gun. I'm not sure actually why it's in here. Guess we're gonna find out. Oh, here's the, okay. There's a hanging alien. Johnny, did you get your wish? Also, get back to this second. I don't know if this is going to show up, but it's not going to focus because I have it on manual. It's some sort of primate. And then list of the attractions. So we have Scary Train, obviously, because it's the name of the event. They're not going to not have the train. Clownwoods, of course. Trailer Park. Can't believe it's a GMC. It's crazy. Possum Holler. If I can do that right. Something new for 2023. You're gonna have to wait till I go. I'm gonna try to get their sooner than later, but this year it's difficult because I'm doing so many things. Bonus hunt at the dungeon, as you saw last year, Danowski's Dungeon, and bonus hunt hearse hunt, new for this year. So I don't know what that is. I know that they have a lot of them. Plus food booths, and watch out for the wandering, roaming creatures. Ooh. Also, please read, I'm not going to read it right now. Please read all warnings prior to registration is what it says here. So, I will be cleaning this out. As you know, it was filled with fun things. And I'll probably go to the event with this on, because not this is actually kind of uncomfortable. It is great theming though. I do enjoy it. It just kind of pinches my nose a little bit. But I will be bringing this to the event. And I will be bringing you that event as soon as my schedule allows me to, and my job. For some reason my job likes me to show up and do things. I know. Crazy. So demanding. But thank you very much to Kirby Family Farm. Unfortunately, their media event was one I was at, I believe, Six Flags over in California, so I missed that. But the event is fantastic. It is a fundraiser. It is very inexpensive, and I'm sure that I don't have to pay to get in. I'm probably going to pay to get in because, again, it is a fundraiser, and the cheapest thing I'm going to this year, that's for sure. Especially these haunts, yeah, by far the cheapest. So hopefully you can get out to Kirby Family Farm for Scary Train this year. If not, look for it in future years. It's absolutely worth it. It's a little bit of a drive, and I hate driving, but I go as often as I can. So, well, thank you so much to Kirby Family Farm for sending me this media gift and inviting me to the media event. Unfortunately, like I said, I was in California when it happened, so I missed the event. Brett and I will be attending Scary Train on the 14th of October. I wish it was earlier, but so many things going on this year. And of course, I'll be posting some images on, I'm still calling it Twitter, at Dave Spook, because Dave Spook Central was too long of a handle apparently. And of course, I'll be posting a video about the event here on Dave Spook Central. Until then, if you have the means to get to the event, we saw a little bit of the event from last year in the video, scarytrain.com, as you saw in the box and in the description. It is a very, very amazing event. Great cause. It's a little far, but you know, it's definitely worth it. And thanks to you guys for watching, and remember, haunt season never ends.